sorry. In the final part of this lecture, we're going to, okay.
I want to conclude by walking us through a particular problem in my field and how we've drawn upon let me do that again. A particular controversy in my field and how we've drawn upon various techniques to...
It's still kind of funny. Drawn upon.
There are two approaches to studying religious texts. One is close reading, and the other is...
The close reading, you can just hold it there for
Hold it there, okay.
Okay.
There are two approaches to studying religious texts. One is close reading, and another is distant reading. When we're looking at religious texts, sometimes we have to pull, now let's see, when we're looking at religious texts, oftentimes we don't know what we're going to find. We just have to trust our methods.
You never know what y'all gonna find. Looking at a religious text is a lot like looking at a box of chocolates.
So in part 4 of the lecture, we're gonna look at the behavioral effects of religious texts. Cognitive scientists might be skeptical that they should care about religious texts in the first place, and here comes a plane. Exploring text is kind of like pulling the tarp off a big box of junk. Looking in a big cart of old junk. We might not know exactly what we find. In fact, sometimes we're not even sure what we're looking for when we're doing an exploratory analysis. A chainsaw, battery charger, some mowers, and every once in a while, a treasure. We can find chainsaws, sinks, battery chargers, and every once in a while, a treasure. I left it in my pocket. But it was right here all along.
And adjudicate between these hypotheses and say that 80% chance this is the phylogeny, or this is clearly the this last part sucks.